forgets the hour. He drinks the years like morning wine. She moves like light through broken towers, chasing dreams he'll never define. Two hearts beating in a silent song, then now and then both right and wrong. So close, but worlds away, still something strong won't let them stray. Let the moment rise, let the shadows fall, where the past still breathes and love recalls. Under a light that won't let go, they find a rhythm only they know. Trapped in time, but dying to flow. He wears history like a sacred suit, every thread a prayer, every crease the proof. She walks the edge with fire in her shoes, live in the future, dance in the truth. Their eyes collide and silence sings. The ticking fades but the soul still rings. In a place where the stillness cries, they fight forever in a glance, not lies. Let the moment rise, let the shadows fall, where the past still breathes and love recalls. Under a light that won't let go, they find a rhythm only they know. Trapped in time, but dying to flow. Like smoke on holy ground, words unspoken yet perfectly found. If time could break and love could lead, they'd run the road the angels plead. Let silence speak and clocks unwind, let spirit break the ties that bind. In the serenade without a name, two souls ignite a timeless flame, held by